In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country on Remitly. We'll do this by updating the address on your profile since Remitly uses your registered address to determine your country and local settings like currency, fees, and available delivery options. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few quick tips so everything saves the first time. Start by opening the Remitly website or app and signing into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click your profile name to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where you can manage your personal details. On the settings page, go to your profile and locate the address section. This is where your country is tied to your account. Click Edit to make changes. You'll now see the address form. Begin with the street address field. Type your full street address exactly as it appears on official mail. Being precise here helps with verification and prevents transfer delays. If you have an apartment, suite, or unit number, add it in the optional field. If you don't, you can leave it blank. Just don't duplicate that detail in the street line. Next, choose your city. Make sure the spelling matches your postal records. Then select your state or regional equivalent from the list provided. The options shown reflect the country format Remitly uses for your profile. After that, enter your zip or postal code. Double check this carefully. An incorrect code is one of the most common reasons an address won't validate. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give it a moment while Remitly updates your profile. Once saved, your address will be refreshed and your registered country will align with this new location for future transfers and settings. If the Save button isn't available, look for any red or highlighted fields you may have missed. Make sure there are no extra spaces or special characters where they don't belong, and that the postal code format matches your country's standards. If Remitly asks for additional verification after you update your address, simply follow the on-screen prompts. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. That's it. By opening your account menu, going into settings, finding your profile address, clicking edit, entering your street, unit if needed, city, state or region, and your postal code, then saving, you've successfully changed the country associated with your Remitly profile. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to continue sending with the correct country details.